In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants in Zoom. This is a neat trick if you're looking to streamline your meetings or just reduce visual clutter, especially when you're focusing on those who are actively participating. Before we get started, make sure your Zoom application is up to date for the best experience. Now, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Zoom application and log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, join a meeting. This can be either a new meeting you start yourself or one that you're joining as an attendee. It's important to be in a meeting to access the settings we'll be discussing. Now that you're in a meeting, locate the video controls at the bottom of the Zoom window. You should be able to see the Start Video or Stop Video button, depending on whether your video is currently on or off. Next to this button, you'll notice a small upward-facing arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal more video options. In the menu that pops up, you'll want to select Video Settings. This will open a new window with various options for video configurations. Here, you'll find multiple tabs on the left side panel. Be sure you're on the Video tab, which is usually the default. This section lets you adjust video quality, configure your camera, and more. As you navigate through the video menu, scroll down if needed until you find the Meetings and Webinars section within these settings. The options in this section are focused on controlling participant visibility and overall meeting experience. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Show Non-Video Participants. By default, this box is checked, meaning all participants, whether they have their cameras on or off, will be visible on your screen. To hide those participants who aren't using video, simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. This adjustment will instantly reduce the number of visible participants on your screen to just those who have their cameras turned on. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in how you experience the meeting, especially in larger groups. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Zoom settings to hide non-video participants, allowing for a cleaner, more focused meeting interface. Remember, you can always change this setting back by checking the box if you decide you want all participants visible again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. See you next time.